everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I painted my balcony wall and gave it a new look. So this is the part of the balcony wall which I chose to paint. So I started with cleaning it with a cloth and then I used a pencil to draw the sketch over it. So guys, this is the final look of the wall art. You can also try it at your home and you can do it within 2 to 3 hours if you do it in one go. And also if you have liked this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video as much as possible and subscribe to my channel. Till then, tata, bye bye.